In the world of hidden cameras, finding the specific camera to fit your specific environment to be discreet as possible is a major component. This is our air quality monitor Wi-Fi night vision camera from SpySite.com. It's a fully functional air quality monitor that measures for TVOC, which is total volatile organic compounds, as well as HCHO, which is formaldehyde. As you can see, the green illuminated house is showing us that the air quality in this room is good. Now, if it denoted a poor air quality, this greenhouse would turn to red. There's a functional clock on the camera as well. Now, with this camera, you get 1080p video as well as audio. It's Wi-Fi, so you can watch it live from your cell phone. It has a 90-degree camera angle. The device will hold up to a 128 gigabyte card, which will give you 119 hours of continuous recording onto an SD card, and the battery life will give you approximately 4 hours, or it can be plugged in for continuous long-term recording. This is an example of what the device looks like when viewing it live from your cell phone. You can see the image quality is 1080p. You can touch the screen and it will allow you to listen live. You can take still shots, which will be saved to your phone, and you can record video that will be saved from your phone. Now, from here, you can also control the recording onto the SD card. If you see something while you're watching live that you want to get a better glimpse at, you have the ability to zoom in and zoom out. Now, if you remember, we discussed that this camera is equipped with night vision. A lot of people have never really seen night vision on a camera, so I wanted to demonstrate it to you. So I placed the device into a completely dark room. As you can see, there's nothing on the screen right now. But whenever we enable the night vision, the door and the rest of the closet becomes evident. The night vision on this camera is viable up to approximately 9 feet and can be turned on and off right here.